Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can possibly get your account unbanned in Township. So let's get right into it. Township is a mobile game which is very similar to the Farmville game which was on Facebook a long time ago, and it requires an account to play, and your account can be banned if you do not respect the guidelines or the fair play policy which Playrix has put into power. Now, they use a lot of things to make sure that the game is fair and fun for everybody, and those that violate these principles will get their account banned. The accounts will be blocked and banned completely if they use third-party software that affects progress, install the app from unofficial sources, or purchase in-game resources and Township cash from other sources than the in-game store. You will be partially banned if you exploit in-game bugs, use your account for commercial purposes, including for providing false personal information, as well as disclosing your password or any other data that grants access to your account to third parties for the sake of profit. Now, there is a way, if you have or if you think that you have been unfairly banned, there is a way to possibly get your account unbanned, and it is the following, and it's pretty much the same as for any other game under the sun. If you think that you have unfairly been banned, just contact customer support. Write them an email or contact them however you can, and make sure that you describe the entire problem in detail, and once you describe it, somebody from customer support will make sure to help you to the best of their abilities, and if they do deem that you have been banned on accident, your account will be reinstated and you can continue playing just fine. They'll restore your progress if that turns out to be the case. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.